Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will cover generator wiring and configuration for the backup interface. A quick note that your AC conductors may vary. More information can be found in your generator manual. Before beginning work, ensure the system is fully de-energized. Grounds will be landed in the lug on the back left or the smaller bussing below depending on conductor sizes. Neutral will be landed on the right. Next, land line 1 on the left, line 2 on the right. Remove the 4-pin Phoenix connector for the 2-wire start-stop. Land your conductors in A positive and A negative and replace the Phoenix connector. Configuring the generator can either be done via the Commissioning Wizard or SolarEdge SetApp at a later date. From the Device Manager, select Backup Interface. Select Backup Generator Settings. Select Edit at the bottom of the screen. Use the pull-down menu to select your operation type. Manual will switch over to generator once the batteries have been depleted and stay on generator until utility power is restored. Automatic will switch over to generator when the batteries reach a state of energy threshold, after which the inverter will use PV once available to recharge the batteries. The system will turn off the generator and run off PV and battery until the batteries once again reach their state of energy threshold. Once you've selected your desired operation, hit Set and you're done. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.